Well, all eyes on the low country looking at Hurricane Matthew and wondering exactly how this storm is going to impact us. So we sent News 2's Macy McLeod out to Folly Beach to see how people are preparing for the storm. And she joins us live with the very latest. Macy?
Hey, Carolyn. Well, you can see the sun is shining out here, and all day it was an absolutely beautiful day here on Folly Beach. But people tell me they're not too concerned about this storm.
Clear skies, a light breeze, perfect weather to fly a kite.
We've got a great big open beach. We need like a football field to fly our kites. And a day like this is perfect. The weather's nice, the breeze is good, and the breeze is going straight down the beach instead of out over the ocean or the marsh.
Betty and her husband have traveled from North Carolina to Folly Beach for the past 19 years to fly these kites. But this year, Hurricane Matthew could cut the trip short.
If they tell us we need to evacuate the campground, we would go home. Otherwise, we'll be here.
Folly Beach Public Safety says they are closely monitoring the storm. But it is too soon to tell what exactly the impacts will be, and people should not panic.
I think you have a lot of really highly trained professionals, be it meteorologists and emergency managers, that are tracking the storm, and they'll definitely let the citizens of the counties and the Tri-County area know what to expect. And when they feel like there is a significant risk, they'll definitely be putting that word out to everybody.
Families can prepare by making sure they have a hurricane plan and safety kit in place.
Whether where it is that they're going to be able to go, whether or not they have storm supplies in their residence if they choose to go that route. But I think these kind of warnings and potentials are always a good time for folks to take a look at their own plans and make sure that they're up to speed.
And for now, people are soaking up the great weather as long as they can.
Charleston is lovely. It doesn't matter what's happening.
And the city of Folly Beach reminds us that no matter where this storm ends up, it does increase our chance for rip currents, so be cautious out there in the water. Live on Folly Beach, Macy McLeod, News 2.